We are analyzing the political influence of big tech corporations, and at this point we are focusing on the conceptual analysis. So we are trying to understand what political contestability means. So that refers to how well organizations are able to express their political influence and whether there is not one party or one stakeholder that dominates the debate. So we're looking at political science for this, but we are also looking at the laws regarding lobbying. So for instance, we see that some countries have regulations in place that are about making transparent about how companies sometimes talk to policymakers or meet up with politicians. So we're in that stage of doing the more conceptual analysis, and in later parts of the work packages we will also do a more empirical assessment. So far we have learned that political contestability consists of several elements. So it's about how well organizations are able to access the policy-making process. So this can be in a more public official form, for instance by responding to public consultations, but it can also be in the form of more informal meetings with policy officers. And so we have also learned so far that some countries have stronger rules regarding transparency about lobbying efforts, for instance, than others. And so we're also trying to understand to what extent these rules influence how political contestable a market is. So it's quite a complex measuring exercise that we're trying to do, but in the end we hope that we are able to distill some factors or indicators that could allow us to compare different countries and how political contestable their markets are.